Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode. To start off, this is a Wheel Gun Wednesday, so I got the beautiful Smith & Wesson Model 36 Chiefs Special out here. Vintage 1975. Oh yeah, she's a beauty, guys. Look at that. Is that a beauty or what? Oh yeah. But anyways, that is not what this video is about. That's just paying homage to Wheel Gun Wednesday. But anyways, as you've seen the title probably, I got a little something in from Atlantic Firearms here. Had to get one of these in a collection. Russian bayonet. Got a Russian AK, so you gotta have to have a Russian bayonet to go with it, right? For those for deer hunting, you know. That's when we need bayonets, for deer hunting. So anyways, we're gonna unbox this one here. We're live on the channel here. We're not live, but you know, live in the moment. Anyways, so they have quite a few of these in stock right now, guys, and they got a bunch of them. Seems like they got quite a few crates of them. I don't really know, but figured I'd do a video and let you guys check out what they have, and if I played a role in your decision on buying one of these, let them fellers know over there at Atlantic Firearms. Anyways, let's unbox her. Take a look and see what we got. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Oh yeah, best EDC knife in the world, in my opinion. So let's open her up. Just got her a few minutes ago in the mailbox. So this is a Hillbilly Nitro exclusive, guys. So we'll see what we got here. Stoked on this. They got them priced fairly good too. Man, they got some with it's the 6x4 with the Bakelite scabbard. Oh man, I'd really like to have one of those, but didn't get one on this one. Now they have these are NRA good condition, NRA good, classified info. And here we go, guys. Here we go. We experienced this together. Check that out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, they don't guarantee matching numbers from the scabbard to the blade. But they're supposed to have good proof marks, and I guess we'll see. They have 6x3s and 6x4s. They got some transitionals in there. They got some nice ones. And I think we got one. Let's check her out. Look at that, guys. You're gonna see it before I do. Is that a beauty? Got your hanger. Looks like the mustard color. That's mustard. It looks mustard to me. Oh yeah. I'm not sure if that's oil or Ballard style. I think it's oil. See, our number is 2980. 2980. So we got a matching. Oh yeah. You ready? I'm ready. I hope we don't have any kind of deer blood on here or anything. Oh yeah, that's beauty. That's beautiful. Is that a beauty or what? Thankfully, I brought my cloth out here to wipe her off. Wipe this bad boy. Oh man, that's nice. Doesn't look like it's. Yeah, looks like original edge on it. So yeah, it's probably never been used. That's awesome. That's awesome. I'll wipe her off here for you guys, and I'll throw in some stills of this too. Let me know what you guys think about this. Did I score a cherry or what? That is beautiful. That's nice. Let's check out this scabbard here. Hang on. There we go. Certified wire cutter. Or anything, I don't know. Maybe you could cut your cigar with this. It's always good to cut a stogie with your bayonet there, right? Oh yeah, look at that. Love it. I love it, guys. That's beautiful. Love it. Got our nice little hanger here. That looks like some, yeah, that looks like, I don't know, it's kind of, they said they have dimpled leather and smooth leather. I don't know if that's, I'm not sure which one that is. It's kind of smooth. Looks smooth to me, but some little texture to it when you really zoom in on it there. Very nice though. I love it. So now when I go hiking through the woods, doing what I do in the woods, I can have this on my belt. Or guys, I guess, you know, you could put this in one of your EDC kits, you know. If you carry a kit in the car, no reason why you couldn't have one of these in there. That's nice, guys. So, if you like this, guys, go over there at Atlantic Firearms and grab you one of these while they have them in stock. Like I said, they're priced decent for a Russian. So, I think you guys will like it. I wish this would go on my Russian AK, but it's got that 74 style flash hider on it. But I don't know. Maybe we need to buy an AK that this will go on. I think that is a good idea. I think I can sell that to the wife. I need an AK that this will fit on. Because it won't fit on my other one. It won't fit on my Bulgarian arsenal. I think this may be grounds for getting another AK. So we'll try to sell that to the wife. And you guys can let her know in the comments. She'll see this and just tell her that I need another AK that this will fit on. There we go, guys. I thank you guys for stopping by. And like, we're about to roll 14,000 subscribers. A big shout out and thank you to you guys. And thanks for stopping by and hanging out with me for this nice little unboxing. Like I said, let those guys over at Atlantic Firearms know if I made your mind up on this little beauty. Let them know. Yeah, Billy. Over and out of here, guys. Peace. What a beauty. See you guys.